What's going on, guys? Day trading this morning, day trading live in front of the camera, in front of the screen, all that fun stuff. So I'm gonna show you guys my trade here this morning, my overall idea that I had on Roku. I ended up, you'll see it here in a second, it's kind of frustrating. I had a really good plan, wasn't able to get filled, ended up, I'm not gonna ruin the surprise, but ended up making a little bit of money today. It's the day after Christmas, and the market just cannot decide which way it wants to go. You can see right now the SPY just sitting there, just like, which way does it want to go? You got the bears trying to hammer it down. You got the longs trying to step in there. People, it's a serious tug of war right now. Look at that. Some serious volume going through. We got 17 million shares traded so far. The volume is there. The action is there, but the small caps just not really having anything this morning. Nothing really gapping up on the pre-market, on the trade idea scanner, so it's not really looking that hot. So I'm going to go ahead and kind of take my one trade that I made this morning, and I'm going to go do some stuff. I got some stuff I got to return, and I got to get back to the gym. I've been eating really, really terribly. I'm not Santa Claus, Patrick. You cannot just eat cookies and cookies and cookies all you want. I'll show you guys this live trade here in a second and all that fun stuff. So make sure you stay tuned. All right, before we get into the live action, keeping with the Christmas spirit, there's a link down below if you want to check out trade ideas. It's the scanner that I use every single day. That's the trade idea scanner. There's a 25% discount going on right now. If you want to check that out, there's a link down below. Also, do me one big favor. If you enjoy these videos, hit the like button. Leave a comment. What stocks did you trade today? Did you not trade at all? What is going on out there in the market? I like to always see what people are trading, what you guys are thinking. So let me know in the comment section down below. And let's get into that live trade. There it goes. The SPY selling off here. What's going to happen? Oh, it's going. Let's go. Looking at Roku. ROKU. Got some news this morning that an analyst company came out, Needham Investment came out saying that Roku's one of their top picks for 2019. But you can see this chart. It's just been getting murdered. We are a little bit down here at the support area. But I think if this overall market can sell off today, this should be a pretty easy short. So I'm going to be watching. I want to see for a little bit of strength here at open, a little bit of a push up. You can see back there on Monday. You can see back there last Friday, we had a push up there towards the $30 area and then just sold off. So I'm going to kind of look for that similar move. I want to see a little bit of strength here at open to short into, and then look to ride this down as if the market kind of sells off. So I'm keeping an eye on the overall SPY and keeping an eye on Roku right now and just kind of correlate, trying to look for some correlations today. Correlations, baby. So that's what we're watching right now. Looking to get short 500 shares here at open. Just need this to show some strength. Push up there a little bit and look for a short opportunity here. Like I said, up towards that $30 area would be nice. Not sure we're going to get that high. There we go. A little bit of push back up there. Let's see, like I said, looking for that push a little bit higher here, get overextended off the EMAs there. The seller stepping in there at 29, holding it down. Looks like this might be the wash. There's the wash. Look at it, 28.60. So nice, quick 40-cent drop there, up there to 29.25, and then pull my 28.60. So kind of breaking down overall this morning. Kind of pulling back down there to the EMAs. We'll see what happens here if it's going to find some support there on the 5-minute. Looks like the SPY right now kind of rallying, so might take Roku with it. So everything looking green right now. Overall market green right now, rallying. So I'm going to play it safe here. Just kind of wait to see if we can get the overall market kind of pulling back a little bit before jumping in short here, or at least get overextended, which looks like we might going to get here pretty soon. I'm see if I get some shares short there at 29.40 again. I'm just not getting it again. Got a lot of top wicks here on the 5-minute chart. Look at these candles. Got to call that the needle pinchers or whatever. I like to see this kind of push back up there towards 29 now. We'll take it short there at 29. Oh, it'll squeeze back. It's a bit of a battle right here. A bit of a battle here on Roku right now. Looking to see if we get this to push up. It's going to get filled here at 28.53. Does a little bounce back. A little late on that one, I guess. Been second late here. For that pop up there to 70 one more time. Give me above 70 here. 28.72. 23. Come on. Just don't want to pop that 70, does it? Still looking for that 28.75 area. One more time here. We're bouncing off the EMAs. If there's a push up to the 70s, 2870. Shouldn't get filled here. It's only 73. Getting filled there. Beautiful. All right. Ugh. So one of the reasons you're probably wondering, why didn't I get out earlier? Well, if you look here at the 5-minute chart, this is actually a little bit different. So I got another chart pulled down here. It's hard to see. I got too many charts pulled up here. If you look at this chart here, you can see we have the EMAs. This is the 50 EMA down there at the 2810, and we had the EMA there at 2850. So we were watching just support area and thinking we're going to get a little bit of a bounce back. You know, this is a bigger stock than, you know, the low float stuff. So I wasn't worried about this just selling off and just getting murdered. I wasn't worried about it just going to zero type of thing, but I just simply was watching it. So trading these large cap stocks is a little bit different than trading the small caps. And also, if you look at the SPY here, the SPY as well kind of bouncing around there. I was looking for this to bounce off that $236 area back up there a little bit. So that's what we got there on Roku. Ended up adding a little bit more. Just wasn't exactly what I wanted. Wasn't exactly my plan there, but still making $196 there on Roku, added into that dip there and got that push up there at 28.70. So I had the patience there, gave it a little bit of time. Probably should have just taken profit on this push up there. Would have just gotten out there, maybe bought it again there. But I think overall, Roku was just a beautiful short opportunity from that 29.40 area down there to 28.8, 28.10. So really beautiful, just that double top, kind of that scissor, tweezer. I don't know, people have like different names for this, but that tweezer top. We'll call it a tweezer top. Something like that. Tweezer top, needle top. You can see just that, all that selling pressure sitting there above $29. Now $29.46. So I was trying to get short there at $29.40. Did not get filled multiple times. So then I was like, all right, well, we might get a little bit of a pullback. And then might look for a dip buy if this does get overextended. Which you can see here, how it got overextended down there to 28.10. And then bounce back up there towards the EMA. So now if I was looking for a short opportunity, I might be looking for a short opportunity there. But right now, I think I'm just going to go ahead and play it safe today. It's one of those slow days in the market. Trade ideas is not really showing us much. This is the gapper list this morning, which just really isn't anything that's too hot. We got SFET popping up there, moving around. SFET, where's it at? I'll just pull it up here. SFET up there to 465 this morning, pulling back down there to 365. No shares to short there on SFET, so that's why I wasn't really worried about that one. If it was shares to short, I would have probably been keeping a much closer eye on that one. Also, MICT this morning. MICT was looking to go short above $1 this morning pre-market. Just didn't have the volume. You can see this candle here just got sold off, and look at it now down there to 80 cents. So MICT would have been another beautiful short opportunity this morning. Looks like right now the overall market kind of just not figuring out which way it wants to go. It's up 1% right now, but yesterday or Monday we had a little bit of trouble. We had a rally on Monday, and then it just crashed back down. So we'll see if this is going to start the selling here or not. And I think looks like we're going to get some selling here. You can see overall, nice little rally, and then right now kind of just trying to figure out which way it wants to go. Look at that order flow going through there. Some action, baby. Some action this morning. What we got? Where's Roku at now? And Roku kind of just sticking there underneath the VWAP. Got the VWAP there at 28.77. So was it the best trade ever? Probably not the best trade ever, but like I said, was looking to buy the dip as this was overextended for a little pushback up there towards that resistance. I was hoping for a little bit more of a push, up there at $29 area, but we got all the way down there to 28, a little bit of a bounce. And like I said, I was kind of watching. So I've got multiple charts pulled up on my screen. You guys can't see it, but there's multiple charts pulled up on the screen. So don't think, oh, I can only see blah, blah, blah. I can only see this and that. But yeah, that's, I know people sometimes like, oh, why doesn't he use this and do that? But I have multiple charts with different EMAs, different indicators lined up on them that I'm watching as well. So a couple stocks this morning kind of moving around. Nothing looking that really hot right now. It's still kind of the holidays. So I think I'm going to play it safe. I've actually got some stuff I want to do today. And I'm going to go to the gym, get back into the groove. Got to get my office all figured out, get life going here after New York City, get that vlog done, all that fun stuff. So if you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button. I'll talk to you guys later on. And there it is, Roku at 28.70. Is it going to get stuck here? Should I short? Should I short it? I kind of want to. I kind of want to short it right here. We'll see. See what happens here in a second. Give it a second. Dun, 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 dun. 28, 58, 28, 58, 28, 58. It's going to hold 28, 50. 28, 50 can't hold. I think it's going to go down. Down, 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 down here. Looking weak. Looking weak here. Overall market kind of bouncing. Roku, Roku, Roku. What you going to do? What you going to do? And. 2850 kind of holding here. Bouncing around, bouncing around, bouncing around. Oh, I'm just going to go ahead and close it out there. Ugh, painful.